What's up, YouTube? This is Dem Bryant, boys. Alrighty, go check out my last YouTube video. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And on this YouTube video, we'll be working on my Toyota Tacoma. We're getting ready to get the doors and the fenders ready to paint. And I hope you enjoy this video. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year on YouTube. And go to my link tree, check out my Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers on TikTok. So please hit that subscribe button, and we'll be getting on this door shortly. So keep following along to the end of this video. And in the next video, we'll be painting the door. So keep following along for the body work. DA off the clear. Keep following along to the end of this video. Guys, I'm working on the driver's side fender for the Toyota front, White Shadow. Just got to, guys, this is Dem Bryant, boys. Just getting this Toyota driver's side fender ready, White Shadow that I just got, and here it is. Just got to scrape the clear off. I ain't gonna bore y'all with me doing that, but I will finish that and I'll show you after that, and then I'll be DAing it and getting ready to prime and getting ready to then prime it. So keep following along to the end of this video. And everybody, I appreciate everybody that was subscribed to this video. I appreciate each and every one of y'all that subscribed and liked this video. So what do y'all think about the videos I've done so far? And I hope you enjoyed it, and keep following along to the fender all scraped and ready to get sanded so I can prime it. Here we go. There's the other one that I did. Alrighty, get ready to DA, and it'll be coming up. Alright guys, we're getting ready to paint the door and fender, so keep following along for that, and keep following along to the end of this video, and I hope you've been enjoying it, and please hit that subscribe button. Alright. Hey guys, I got the Toyota fenders, doors, and cab painted. Part 2 next week. My next video on the Toyota, I will be getting the hood, the bed, the tailgate painted, and we'll be installing it in that video. But here's how it sets right now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and everybody have a fabulous day.